Now we discuss the application of this compound interest formula. We know the compound interest formula is derived to calculate the interest or the compound interest. But the formula can be applied to some other situation, some other cases which is similar to the calculation of this compound interest. That is, suppose you want to calculate certain amount, and when compare that situation with the calculation of the compound interest, the cases can seem to be similar. In that situation, the formula for this compound interest can be applied in that situation. For example, consider the population of a country. Suppose in our country. Now we know the population of a country is approximately 140 crores. 140 crores. Suppose the population is increasing at a rate of 10% yearly. 10% yearly. What is the population after, say, 5 years? Or what is the increase in population after 5 years? So this is a similar situation of calculating the interest. So the population is 140 crores. The percentage rate of increasing, which is 10%. So after 5 years, the total population or the increase in population. This is similar to depositing an amount of 140 in a bank for an interest rate of 10% to find the total amount after 5 years or the total interest. Exactly similar. Apply that formula. So this A is equal to B into 1 plus R by 100 all raised to N, this formula. Where here A is the total population. P is the principal amount, means the initial population, 140. In place of this interest growth rate, which is 10%, 10. R is 10. Number of years, then 5 years. So in this situation, this total population will be 140 into 1 plus 10 by 100 all raised to 5. This is the population after 5 years in crores. The increased population is this A minus P. That is, A is this much amount and P is this. So this is the situation we apply the formula. This can be applied to similar situations, in any situation. Okay? So this is the method of applying this formula in different situations. So more examples in next videos.